Showers and thunderstorms are on the way across our region, coming in from the south. This is an area of low pressure. In fact, the same one that came out of Florida and brought some strong, heavy rain to that region. It's now started to make its way into West Virginia. And that means some scattered thunderstorms are around on your Friday night. A few of them have been strong, but at this point in time, they've remained below severe levels. Some gusty winds up to about 30-35 miles an hour, even some small hail possible with the strongest ones. At this point, the southern coal fields seem to have had the opportunity for the heaviest activity, but still, if a stronger storm does happen, it'll happen in our southern counties through tonight. Those rain showers stick around a little bit to start your weekend, but the good news is, just like I mentioned, it's not a washout for your Saturday. The afternoon looking pretty nice, mostly sunny skies there. Perhaps a spotty shower, though, later on in the day. Sunday is when things get a little bit more interesting, and we have another opportunity for more thunderstorms just like this. And on our radar and satellite, you can start to see that some of these thunderstorms have moved into Lincoln and Boone counties, and they are approaching the Charleston area. We've seen a little bit of back building on these, but still the biggest thing that we'll be watching as they move towards US 119 is for some small hail. Up to pea-size hail is possible, about a ½ inch in diameter from some of these as they continue to move from the south to the north along this area of low pressure. You can see 1, 2, 3 rounds of some showers and thunderstorms start to make their way northward as well with this storm system and some warmer air across our region. But still, it was a cooler day today compared to the rest of this week, but the warm front in name has provided the moisture for some of these thunderstorms. So scattered thunderstorms are around, some small hail, strongest activity to the south once again with a light southeasterly wind aside from the thunderstorms, gusts with the storms up to about 30 miles an hour. At this point, most of them have remained below severe limits, but you can definitely see that these storms will start to make their way northward, and the system continues to spin around tonight, bringing a few rounds of showers and storms through, even into the southern coal fields by 11 o'clock at midnight. Waking up tomorrow morning a little bit soggy. Some scattered showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder on your Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. Into the 50s early before we start to warm up. Those showers clear out and the afternoon looks pretty good. But that's not the only thing this weekend. In fact, on Sunday, we have a #1 marginal risk for severe weather. The late afternoon, early evening, a line of storms will come through, and that could mean some gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour, perhaps damaging wind gusts and an isolated tornado. At this point, it looks to be a low-end tornado risk, but the setup for that is a warm front advances through in the morning, puts us in the 80s for the day on Sunday. That could mean a few showers in our western counties early Sunday. In fact, that model might be underdoing the morning showers a little bit, but then by the afternoon, warming into the 80s. Here's our first round of thunderstorms, 3:34 o'clock to Huntington, about 4:35 to Charleston, and then behind it, pretty windy outside, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour for much cooler weather on Monday to start the week. Big soccer tournament this weekend at Shawnee. Tomorrow looking to be the drier of the 2 days in the 70s. Sunday, though, a couple thunderstorms will be around. And let's look at that 7-day forecast here. Much cooler in the next week and warmer come Thursday and Friday with some sunny skies.